Okay, so we're about to do a walkthrough of the Outrigger Reef Waikiki Beach Resort. It's just off Beach Walk. It's not far from Sheridan, not far from Hilton. You can see the Rainbow Tower down the end. So we'll cross over and we'll go find Alli, who's in Starbucks getting us our coffee. It's about 6:30-ish a.m. I think, or nearly 6:30 a.m. So obviously it's your driveway is to drive in. Drive straight into your valet. So you got drop off, pick up, and then your check-in area. Alli's in there. So you can walk this way straight out into the bar pool area, which we'll shoot from the other side too. We'll do a full loop around. Okay, we'll go into Alli, and then once we get our coffee we'll continue. There's your bell desk. I know some people hate Starbucks, but when you need a coffee. So obviously you got a lot of seating area. You got the Cove collection, bit of a boutique? Is that what you call it? Boutique shop. You've got the Outrigger activity experiences, which is where you can book all of your activities, like Jurassic Park, Kualoa Ranch, which is where we're heading to in a minute. And you've got all these little cute outdoor areas too. Your elevators on this end.
That's a leaf shop where you can buy fresh leaves.
I didn't even notice that before. How horrible am I? So you've got your front desk. More sitting areas.
It's a beautiful sitting area.
And they've got a lot of it too. You can also cut through. You've got public restrooms, ATM. So you got local motion on this side, which is a lot of Hawaiian type clothing. Yeah, like surf clothing, bags, sandals, etc. Then you got Sunshine Arts. There's a lot of really beautiful artwork. I'd hate to think of the price, but there is a lot of nice stuff in there. So we'll continue down. ABC. So on this side you've got the catamaran bookings, and you got Sweet Honey back there. You got Voyage rental cars. You got information on the TV coming through at all times. So on this side you've got Monkey Pod. We'll come back up this way in a second.
Down there we have beach access.
We'll come back anyway. We'll walk back up. I think it's spat out a bit of ice. Okay, so this is your pool area. Now, one thing I can't figure out is this pool is the depth, because it's 9 foot at one end, so it's deep, and it's 7 foot. Five foot. Shallowest is 4 feet. So if you've got little kids, just be careful and mindful that it's not a shallow pool. So you've got your bar in there as well, which is open during the day and night. They also have live music at night as well. But as I was saying, it's a very deep pool. There's like no diving, no jumping signs, no running signs everywhere, but we found out yesterday there's no lifeguards, so it was not an enjoyable swim. Was it, duckies? I don't know if they're going to comment on it, but yeah, it was just, no matter where you were, there was kids jumping in. Parents didn't give a shit.
Parents weren't parenting.
Yeah, there's only a couple of parents that were pulling their kids up, but majority were just little turds. So if you're one of them parents,
do better.
Yeah, you're not appreciated by me.
Yeah, do better.
It was just like the whole pool, and no matter where you move to, they jump in right beside you, splash beside you. There's no need. So that's my little rant on that one. But yeah, so we got Monkey Pod Kitchen. Same thing, if you walk down here, you can walk straight out the front as well. So you don't have to walk right around. So you've got the cultural centre in there as well. Like I said, at the moment it's around 6:30, I think, yeah? I'm not 100%, I think it's about 6:30 AM roughly. The hotel, I'm pretty sure, is the closest to the water anyway. So yesterday we walked down to the Hilton. It takes maybe what, 7-8 minutes, I would say, to walk down. And then you got like literally Waikiki next door, 5-10 minute walk. Diamond Head down the other end. It's good because it's out of the way, but it's close to everything. And we're up there somewhere. Okay, so we'll come back in. Monkey Pod here is huge, isn't it? It's a big restaurant. But that covers most of the basics of the place, like as a quick walk around. We have all the extra add-ins, probably could be with the room, with stuff like where you get water, ice, drinks. We'll add all that in, and yeah, it'll be in the other video. But otherwise, that's about it. Whatever you need is kind of here in basics. So until then, enjoy.
Make sure you hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed to us already, we'd really appreciate it if you did.
Okay, so I just wanted to quickly add, as this comes to an end, we also do have on here currently a full room tour, as you'll see snippets here up and on our page. So please like, sub, follow. We also have a lot of walking videos of Hawaii. We also have Disney coming up, Aulani Resort, room tours, walk arounds. We also have a lot of stuff from Mexico, Florida, California, Disney, Universal. There'll be a lot to see, so definitely keep your eyes out. And thank you, like, sub, all the above.